Pleasant good day, ma'am, sir. I am Linda Infidelis. I am single parent. I have three sisters. I am 28 years old. I have three kids. My religion is Roman Catholic. I am high school undergraduate. I am here in the Philippines now, residing at Francisco Street, Caloocan City. My mother is housewife, and my father is of W in Bahrain. I want to work in Hong Kong to support my family. I have experience as domestic helper in Saudi Arabia. I worked for 2 years and 2 months. My major responsibilities is do cooking, taking care of babies, and also cleaning house, washing and ironing clothes, and do washing care of my employer, taking care of pets. I am trainings holder. I can speak good in English and willing to learn your language. I am good in communication skills, hardworking person, kind and honest, and willing to learn what is the task given to me. I promise I will finish my contract and work as long as you need my service. Ma'am, sir, please, I hope you choose me as your domestic helper. Thank you.